When the school was built over 60 years ago, it was built for that time. It was built then, and it served its purpose. We're at a point now where this construction project is actually overdue. We want all of our children to be able to maximize their potential so that they can go out into this world and provide the best impact that they possibly can. We want to be able to give them the tools that they need. We want to be able to give them the opportunities that they can have. We're looking for your support. We're looking for you to provide us the opportunity to progress this project for the sake of our children. We want our children to have a facility that they can come to on a daily basis where they can enhance their learning about Christ, enhance their learning about math, sciences, arts, and music. We want them to go into this world, extend the kingdom of Christ into this world. This project's going to have various phases, obviously. The first phase that we're going to start off with is a design phase. So in this phase, we're going to start off working with architects to draw and design the future of the school. Once all that's agreed to, we're going to go into the next phase, which is the permit acquisition phase. And that phase is where we work with the city to acquire the required permits to proceed with our construction project. At which point, when we get the actual permits, is when we can start construction. So during the acquisition of the permits, we'll also be planning for the construction phase. And once we get the permits and we start construction, then it's a matter of getting the construction project completed. That's going to take roughly 2 years once we get started, and at which point we're going to have to work around with the school, obviously, to allow the children to continue going to school while the project is taking place. In parallel, the existing building itself has many aspects to it that require an urgent repair. For example, the windows are as old as the school, probably 60 years old or more. And they're leaky, they're falling apart, they're put together with as best tools as we can at this time. And we need to get them replaced. And we need to get them replaced so that we can give the students a better environment in these actual classrooms. So these are some of the immediate type of projects that we need to get going right away while we develop and progress the building design and plans. The total cost of this project is currently estimated around $4 million, and that's comprised of the cost that it's going to take to build a new building and renovate the existing building. We're going to be requiring funds as early as now. The largest sum of money is going to be required for the construction part of the project, which is going to happen while we do the planning and which is going to happen after we get the permit trees. So the stuff that's going to happen while we do the planning is going to consist of repairs and upgrades on the existing building. Anything that we can do without having to have a permit in hand, we're going to progress with that. It allows the students to make use of these modifications early. And then finally, once we get the permit, then that's when we're going to use the remaining funds that we collect to get the building constructed and developed.